Tropical Storm Hilary churning along the coast of Mexico and is expected to reach hurricane strength in the next few days. And while it's not expected to hit land here in Southern California, the heavy winds, heavy rain, high surf that will accompany it might. Eyewitness News reporter Leticia Juarez is live in Riverside with more. Leticia.
Yeah, that's right. Meteorologists are obviously keeping a very close eye on Tropical Storm Hilary. And as you mentioned, it's not likely to make landfall, but even a glancing blow from that storm is likely to bring significant impacts for all of us here in Southern California. Heavy rain, wind, and flash flooding are not new to Southern California, but a tropical storm is bringing all three together this weekend. While it's not expected to make landfall, its remnants are likely to make a big impact.
Tropical storm force winds, we're talking about upwards of 35, 40 miles per hour plus. We're looking for the earliest time of arrival for those winds to be Sunday midday or so.
Tropical Storm Hilary is currently churning to the south along the coast of Mexico. As it makes its way along the coast, the storm is expected to produce extreme amounts of rainfall.
If we're able to get the higher intensity rains over the area, which is a possibility, if we're getting half-inch an hour, inch an hour rainfall rates, especially those that are extending over a longer duration, it could result in dangerous landslides.
Areas hit by wildfires where current and past burn scars exist could see heavy debris and mud flows. Flash flooding, downed trees, and power lines are also a possibility. Coastal communities could also experience swells ahead of the storm from high winds, along with high surf conditions.
We're talking about wave heights that could well exceed 6 feet, overspreading the Southern California waters this weekend.
But this storm still has a lot of uncertainties, and the National Weather Service says we should have a better idea of how this storm is tracking by Friday.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.